grade 6. Today, inshallah, we will take the first unit in the first lesson in unit 4, which is talking about the statistics. As we had in the last year, how to represent data by histogram, by frequency curve, and so on. There are many ways to represent data. Today, we will take how to represent it by circular sectors. Okay? And when we had the circle, we know that the sector is a part of the circle that has two radii and an arc. Okay? So, how can we represent any data by circular sectors? Here, for example, we know that the accumulative angles of the circle, this is 180, and okay, this is 180, and the opposite 180. So the accumulative angles of the circles equals 360. So to represent this, to know what is the angle of this sector 1 or 2, it's 90 degree. Why? Because it's perpendicular, it's a right angle, so it's 90 degrees. Okay? Okay, let's see here. Okay. Okay, this question, the opposite figure shows the percentage of the favorite games for members of one of the sports club from their questionnaire represented by the circular sectors. So here, there are many sports. Football, 40%. Okay, the ratio of the members who prefer the football is 40% or 40 to 100. Okay? That means it's 1 over 4 or 1 to 4. The ratio of the members who prefer the handball is the same, 20 over 100. Okay, it means 1 to 5 and so on. We know how to represent or to calculate the ratio of anything as we had in the first term. Okay. Here, okay, after we have finished this, there is the last question. If the number of the club members is 2,000, how many members prefer the handball? We know that 20% prefer handball. That if there are 2,000 members, so what is the percentage or how many members prefer handball? So you have to multiply 20% of 2,000. When you do it on the calculator, it will give you 400. Okay? Let's see this kind of question. 5 friends shared in a commercial business with a capital 60,000 pounds. The first paid 12,000, the second 6,000, the third 15,000, and the fourth paid 9,000. The fifth paid the remainder. Illustrate that by using the circular sectors. Okay, how can we do this? Okay, take the book. Okay, I write here the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, the first paid 12,000 divided by 60,000. Okay, it's the total. So I take the amount of the first one divided by the total and so on. Why? To get the percentage. So I complete them. Here 6,000 divided 60. The third 15. And so on. Here 9,000. Okay. The first paid the rest. I calculate the rest now. Okay. So here, by your calculator, 12,000 divided 60,000. It will be the fifth. 1/5, okay. 6,000, it's 1/10, over 10. And here, 60. 9,000 divided 60 equals 3/20. Okay, the fourth. Sorry, it's here. Okay, here this is 3/20 and 15. It's 1/4. Okay, and here the rest. 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 15 plus 9 equals 42. That means the remainder is 18,000. Okay. Yes. So 18 divided 60, 3/10. Okay. This is the ratio or the percentage of each one. To represent it by circular sector, I have to get the angle. How can I calculate it? I'll take this ratio multiplied by the accumulative angles of the circle, which is 360. All of them by this way. Okay. Here we know that the quarter equals 90 degrees. It's very simple. And the other times 360. Here 108. 54, and here this is 36, and 1/5 times 360 equals 72. If you add all of these angles, it should be equals 360 degrees. You have to be sure of this. Okay, let's see here. I write them here, the 5 of them, 72 and 36, 90, 54 and 108. So you have to make all of these calculations, okay? Then let's see how can we represent them. Okay. First of all, I have to draw a circle, any circle by any size with your compass, okay? Because I can't use the compass here on the smart board, so I'll do it by my hand. But be sure to do it with your compass, okay? And this is the center of the circle. First of all, I'll draw a radius. Okay, by the ruler also. Okay, then I start to use the protractor. I put it here on the center, okay, and be sure that it's put in a proper way. So the first angle equals 72 degrees, so I put it here. Start from 0, so it will be here 72 here, okay? So I'll draw this, I connect them together. So this is 72 degrees, and this is for the first one, the first person, okay? How can I draw the second angle? The second angle equals 36 degrees. I have to put my protractor on the last radius I drew. So here, I stand here, okay? For example, I can't touch the board, so I put it like this, but you will put it and use your compass, your ruler, and your protractor as we learned before in the class. So here, we said 36, yes. 36 here. 36. And join it. Okay, this is 36, and this is the second one. Okay. The third, 90 degrees, and I have to stand on the last radius I drew. I can start from here or from anywhere, okay? I have to go in the same direction, So I start here and go by this way. I have to complete in the same direction. So here, 90 degrees. So here, right, okay, this is 90, and the next 54, so I stand here, this is the last radius, I stand here, okay, I start from this 0 on the radius, 54. 54 is here. Okay, and join it. Here, 54. This is the third one. The fourth. And here we will measure it. It should be 108. Yes, it should be 108, okay. And this is for the fifth one, okay? Okay, and we have finished it. Let's go to another kind of questions. Here in this table, he gives me the percentage, okay, and want me just to draw the circular sectors as we did just now, okay. The following table shows the percentage of egg production in 3 farms, okay. This is the first one, 25%. It means if we calculate it, 25 over 100. 25 over 100 or 25% times 360, it will give you 90%. Then, sorry, 35% times 360, it will give you 126% and, degrees, 126 degrees, and so on, okay? And draw the circular sectors as we see right now, the same kind, okay? Here, if the family monthly income is £900, so how much does the family save in the year? Another family spends its monthly salary by the same way and saves £70 monthly. So what the monthly salary of that family? This question is very simple. We don't need to draw any circular sector here. The last kind here, the following table shows the favorite TV programs which the pupils of one of the classes in the primary 6 watch as the following. Here, the entertaining programs, 9 hours, cultural, 5 hours, news, 4 hours, drama, 7, and sports, 11 hours. So, to do this, I have to, here, I have to add all the hours. I want the total of the hours. So, here, 9 plus 5 plus 4, it's 18. 18 and 7, 25. Plus 11, it's 36. Okay, so here, the total of the hours are 36. Okay, so to know each one, or the ratio or the percentage of each one, so I have to, here, the first program, it will be 9 over 36 equals 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4 times, it's 1 over 4 times 360, or you can do it directly, 9 over 36 times 360, it will give you 90 degrees, okay, and so on. The second one, 5 over 300, over 36 times 360, okay, and so on. It will give you the angles and then draw them. Okay, let's do them now. This will be 90. The second one, you can do it in a draft, then draw it. The next 40, 70. Okay. Now, I finished all of them. Okay, the first will be 90 degrees, 50, 40, 70, and 110. I write them here. 70. No, 50. 90, 50, 70. 90, 50, 40, 70, and 110. Okay. Now I'll draw a circle again. Put the center, then draw a radius. Okay. Then start the first one equals 90 degrees here. Okay. This is the first, or entertaining. You have to write the name of the program. Then 50. I stand here on the last radius. 50. And this is for cultural and so on. The second. 40 here. Okay, then 70, stand on the last one. And here, 110, should be 110 degrees, okay, for the sports here sports, drama, news and culture, and so on. Okay, I think it's a very simple way to represent any data by circular sector. We know before how to draw a circle, how to draw any angle and measure it. So it's very simple, nothing is new except how to calculate the angle of each one by the ratio, by getting the ratio, or directly you can do 9/36 times 360. It will give you, this is the accumulated angle of the circle, it will give you the angle directly. So it's very simple. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson, and let's meet in another one inshallah. Goodbye.